Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in numerical series. Friends, this type of questions are being asked in RRB NTPC and also in all placement tests, all placement drives and all placement tests. See friends, the logic behind this is, friends, see 1 plus 6, 7, 7 into 7, 49, 49 plus 13, 62. Similarly, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 into 6, 48, 48 plus 15, 63. Similarly, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 25, 50 is your answer friends. 50 is your answer. Thank you.